Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change location on Amazon. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the process. So first of all, launch Amazon application on your mobile device. Here we go. Now once you are here, make sure that you are logged on to your Amazon account. Now just at the bottom of your screen, you can see various options. Now simply tap on this option at the middle right here. Now once you are here, at the top right corner of your Amazon profile, you can see a country's flag icon. Now simply tap on that flag icon. Now, once you come across this page, you can see the option of country/region. If you tap on it, you can choose other various countries according to your preference. So choose a country. Now, simply tap on Done at the bottom. So follow these easy steps and you'll be able to change your location on Amazon. So now you can see over here that my location on Amazon has changed. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.